Hey, good morning. It's Tim from Expert Power Wash. Hey, I'm just shooting a quick little video to show you a bypass line that I'm working on my pressure washer. Just kind of getting going for the morning, and I figured I would just get this fixed up real quick, but then thought that if I shot a video of this might be helpful to somebody else. So let's take a look. I'll show you what I'm doing here. All right, let's take a look at this bypass line. Funny thing, I never had this gate down. This is like one of the rare occasions that the pressure washing gate's actually down. So some of you guys have asked about, I guess, why the gate's laying down. Some of you guys have asked about how I store my wands or how my sign is attached to the back of the trailer. I guess you can kind of see here real good. They're just blocks. Real simple stuff, guys. Just use PVC. I think it's 1.5 inches. It works really good. Anyways, let's take a look at the bypass line here. So I've already pulled it off. It goes right here. This plastic stopper here is good to have. That'll help protect your hose. But anybody that's doing this full time is eventually going to come up with something like this. It pulses, and eventually it's going to split your hose. I use a 3/8 hose for my Pressure Pro, and it just kind of runs up. Pardon the mess. This thing is it just goes up through there. So anyways, I cut it back so it's all fresh again. This tool, if you guys don't have this, is the hose cutter. I don't know how much this thing is, probably $5 to $10, but this thing I use all the time. It's been super helpful, and it does, you know, a really clean, nice cut. So yeah. Again, stupid quick little video, 11/16. I can put you through all the agony of me tightening this down and all that good stuff. But anyways, this is bypass. It's not really high pressure. It just goes on that. I'm sure I could put a hose clamp on that, but it stayed. I think the last time I did this was about 6 months ago. So I'll get this all fixed up. But as you guys are out doing maintenance, something I failed, I did not take a look at this, but maybe it's something to look at, you know, once a month, or just kind of when you're checking your oil on your machine, just kind of look at all the hoses and whatnot. So, hey, hope you guys have a great day. Hope this is helpful. Check those bypass lines, and hope you guys are making lots of money. Stay safe out there.